Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I'm gonna start off by unboxing a piece of jewelry that Jeulia Jewelry sent over to me. I think I've received about 3 or 4 pieces from them, and I've loved them each and every time. So I was so excited when they reached back out for me to pick another piece. So before I get into the jewelry, I'm just gonna unbox everything that it comes with. And just like my other unboxings, I do go through this booklet here, and it is going by pretty fast, but in the beginning it tells you about Jeulia, it tells you about the process making of the jewelry, and also about the material and metal that it's made from. Also, as I flip through, it shows you a lot of different occasions of styles of jewelry. They have necklaces, bracelets. I really love their tennis bracelets. They have rings, a lot of different styles, a lot of different colors. They even have pieces inspired from like artwork. And also, as you saw, they had a Halloween collection. I feel like if you are really into Halloween and you love getting like things like that, it would be really cute to purchase around this time. And here they just have a regifting bag with a greeting card and also a little lamp wiper where you can clean the jewelry. I really like that if you were to purchase this and re-gift it to someone. So finally, unboxing the ring. Here is the piece of jewelry that I picked out. I did pick out this Jeulia Just Be Yourself personalized sterling silver ring, and it is just so cute. I did pick out a size 8. It was a little too big to be on my ring finger, but it was okay. I still wear it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You can pick from any letter from A to Z. Also, the size ranges from 3 all the way to 15, so they do have a size to fit everyone. And also, another good thing about this is you get free shipping, 30-day return if there was something to be wrong with it, and also you get a 1-year warranty. So yeah, this is how it looks. I did have to give you guys a close shot of it because it was just so gorgeous. I love that it has little rhinestones on the K and also along one of the little bands. Like, it is just so gorgeous. And also, if you use the code RICEB415, you can save 15% off your entire order. Also, I wanted to show you guys this other personalized bracelet that I also got from them, and I wear it every single day no matter what I'm doing. I love it. So yeah, I'll leave this ring down below if you guys want to check it out, the link to it, and also my discount code. But getting into the nail part of the video, BTArtbox sent me some of their Gel X systems. This is my favorite Gel X system to use ever, so I was excited when they sent not 1, not 2, but 3 over to me. I was honestly so happy. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. This is their 3-in-1 soft gel system. It comes with a UV nail glue, top coat, a portable lamp, and in the nail kit it comes with 150 nails with 15 different sizes, which I think is a nice vary for people who have bigger nail beds or smaller. And also, what I love about them is their 3-pattern system, which is this 3-layer diagram here. It has the tip primer underneath, which is already going to be prepped for you. In the middle is the soft gel itself, which is going to ensure you have a really durable nail set. And then on top of it, it has the base coat, so you don't have to go in with any base coat. Once you apply them, you apply your nail art or top coat and you are good to go. Also, over on the back it has the instructions, but if you're watching this video, pretty much by now you know how to apply the Gel X nails. So getting into the rest of the unboxing, this is a kit, by the way. It also comes with the gel glue, a top coat, and a builder gel, which are all 15 milliliters. It also comes with a nail file for you to reshape the nails. It also comes with a mini UV lamp. And with this kit, like I said, you get everything you need to apply them. You have the gels that you need to apply it, the top coat. The base coat is already on the nail tip itself. It comes with the UV lamp. So if you're someone who loves to do your nails quick using these nails at home, doing the Gel X method or like the Gel X system, these are going to be perfect for you. And also, they are very affordable. And like I said, these are my favorite nails, like the Gel X nails to use. So getting the light plugged up, it has 6 little lights at the top. And I really love that the button actually works, because sometimes you get the lamps and you have to unplug it just for it to go off, which is super annoying. So I was so happy when the button actually worked. this first set of nails is the set I picked out. We did come to an agreement where I get to pick one of the nails out whenever they send me stuff, so I was so excited. And I did pick out a square black French tip because I was thinking they would look really good for Halloween. So I'll definitely be doing my nails with those pretty soon. Getting into the next kit, this one is a little bit different because it comes with the solid gel, which I do have about 2 of them already, and I love the consistency. I love the way it works. So I'm just gonna have that one just as like a backup, and pretty much all of the other items are pretty much similar: the top coat, the gel, the builder gel, and also the lamp and the nail file. This set of nails here are one of their new launches. So this set of nails is different because it have the cat eye effect already on the nail, which I thought was so cool. Cat eye have been really trending lately with the reflective gels, so I thought that was very cool. They do look a little bit matte right now, so you can't see the effect, but once you apply the top coat, the effect will come in. And I do have satisfying clips of me adding the top coat on these, so you'll get to see those once I finish applying my nails. Not only do they have them in a nude color, but they also have them in a light pink, which was my absolute favorite. But yeah, this is just an overview of what the nails look like. They are prepped underneath. They are so gorgeous. They do have a lot of different styles now. They have a lot of different shapes. However, I wish they would get even longer with them because I would definitely purchase the longer ones. So yeah, with that being said, I do have a discount code with them. I'll leave it down below for you guys to check out. And let's just get into showcasing these nails, putting them on. I do have a peel off base coat, which is why I didn't prep. Usually when I do these types of videos, they do seem to like be super repetitive each time. So I just went ahead and applied my peel off base. But when you are prepping, at least the step you don't want to skip is to remove the shine from your natural nails. Whether you go around your cuticle or not, that is up to you, but at least go ahead and dehydrate, remove all of the oils from your nail plates, that way the nails last. But like I said, I do have on a peel off base, and the first step is to pick out your sizes. You want to make sure that the nails fit sidewall to sidewall, just to make sure that it fits perfectly and you don't have any trouble when it comes to applying them. Once I did pick out my sizes, as you can see underneath, it does have a matte finish to it. That is just the tip primer working underneath, so you don't have to do any prep. And I'm just gonna go in and apply these just as I always do. I did decide to use the builder gel from the first kit, and I'm just putting a little bit of gel inside the nail tip. Once I apply it, I start at the cuticle and work it down to the free edge of my nail. And once I get it straight, I go ahead and cure it in a mini lamp for about 15 seconds and move on to the next nail. This is literally the easiest way I can explain it. This system of nails are just so easy to apply. I've really grown to love them. And I know some of you may be wondering, since these nails are not clear, does it have a hard time curing? And the answer is no, these cure perfectly fine, which I was actually pretty surprised about. So when I do apply my middle finger here, I did give you guys a zoom in close up so that you can see the gel flowing up to the tip of the nail. So it's not completely covered, it is somewhat see-through, so the light is able to cure properly. I didn't have any problems when it came to curing. They were super easy and I absolutely love these. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply them. Once I finish, we'll be doing a little shaping, and then we'll be adding the top coat, and you'll see how these nails look so gorgeous. Once I finish applying them, of course, you want to go ahead and cure for 30 to 60 seconds in a bigger lamp, which is going to ensure that everything is cured in place, because when I do apply them, I only flash cure them in place for about 15 seconds. So after the final cure, I'm going to take the hand file that came in the kit and just work that around the free edge of the nail, basically just removing that little piece of plastic from popping the nails off. And then after going around the free edge of the nail, I do go in and file the cuticle area. I didn't want to do too much filing because I wasn't sure if the cat eye effect was going to file off. So I was really careful. I didn't go in with my e-file, just lightly filing around it with my hand file just to make sure that they look a little bit nicer or just to clean up any spillage. And then of course, after filing, you want to get rid of all of the dust. So I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol just to give the nails a wipe. And you can kind of see the cat eye effect peeking through once it's wet. But yeah, once I do allow the alcohol to dry on my nails, I'm going to go ahead and get the top coat. And I'm going to apply them to all of my nails. I was thinking about adding some rhinestones or like a design. But for this first time I'm using these, I did just want to focus on the cat eye effect because like I said, this is one of their new launches, so I just kind of wanted that to be like the main look of the nails. So I didn't add any designs or rhinestones. I'm just going to go in with that top coat, and look how gorgeous this looks. It's so satisfying to watch. I did zoom in a little bit so you guys can get a better look, and I'm just going to let the rest of this play out. I just absolutely love watching this part. Just doing some final cleanup, and then once I'm done, I'm going to cure them for about 60 seconds in my burger lamp. Then I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil. After rubbing in the cuticle oil, this is what the nails look like, and to be honest, I am so obsessed with this cat eye look. I love the way it looks, and I don't really know how to get the perfect cat eye effect when it comes to doing them manually with the gel polish and the magnet. I still have some work to do, so these were just so perfect. I did get some shots in just direct flash, and also you can see a little bit of sparkling in them to where it looks like a light shimmer. I love that look of them, and honestly I was just so amazed by the finished look of these. They feel very durable, like they feel very nice quality. I don't know if you guys have ever had these before or felt them, but you can just feel like before even putting them on, you can definitely feel that they are very good quality, very durable. So yeah, those are my thoughts on it. All good things to say. And I was just gonna do my one hand, but when I was looking back at my raw footage, it only took me 30 minutes to do the unboxing of all 3 boxes, applying my peel-off base, applying them to my nails, getting them on, adding the top coat. So I just knew once I went to edit the video, it was gonna be very short, and I didn't want to have a video that short. So I thought, why not just give you guys another look of the other set and do my other hand as well, because I rarely do my dominant hand. So this was a little challenging, but I got it done and I loved how it looked. So since I haven't done this hand in a while, I'm gonna do a little bit of prep. I also filed down my nails a little bit, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me apply them to my nails because I did explain everything on the first hand I did. So for this one, I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy. And like I said, I am gonna be using the other color, which is in the nude, so that you guys can see how both of them look. If you are enjoying today's video so far, make sure to go ahead and give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. after I've applied my nails and added on my cuticle oil, this is how the finished nails look, and just like my other hand, I think they look super gorgeous. I do think I could have been better at applying them, but like I said, this is my dominant hand and it was a little difficult, but I just absolutely love how they look. So for the rest of this ending clips, I'm gonna do a lot of different takes and a lot of different clips just to let you guys see the comparison, how they look. Also, I'm gonna include clips of the ring as well so you guys can see how they look on a fresh manicured hand. But yeah, I absolutely love these. I recommend you guys try them out if you haven't already. Like I said, if you love doing Gel X nails, if you love something quick and natural looking, these are going to be great for you to try out. However, I do want to throw in there, I feel like the nude color doesn't show the cat eye effect as well as the pink one. So for that reason, the pink one has got to be my favorite. But yeah, I did love these nails overall. I do think they have them in a longer length as well in different shapes. So go ahead and check them out. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. And so that basically wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about today's nail set. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.